Did you know you don't always need heat to boil water? That's right. You can actually boil water without using any heat at all. This might sound like magic, but it's really just science at work. Let's start with what boiling means. Normally, we boil water to make it change from liquid to gas. We do this by heating it until it reaches a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's the trick, boiling isn't just about heat. Boiling occurs when the pressure outside of the water is equal to the pressure inside the water bubbles. It's all about pressure. Imagine you're a tiny water droplet surrounded by millions of friends. You're all squished together because of the air around you. This is what we call atmospheric pressure. Now, here's the cool part. You can reduce the pressure around the water droplets, and even without heat, they'll boil. This is called lowering the atmospheric pressure. Let's say you have a clever machine that can suck out some of the air around the water. This machine reduces the air pressure or the squeeze around those water droplets. Voila! The water feels less pressure and starts boiling. Think of it like being in a spaceship. In space, there's very little air, so the pressure is super low. If you took water up to space, it could boil without any heat at all. Back here on Earth, scientists can create low-pressure environments in laboratories using vacuum pumps. They switch these on, reduce the pressure, and watch the water boil. This fascinating experiment shows us how closely heat and pressure work together to change the state of water from liquid to gas. You can think of pressure as a tiny giant pushing down on the water, keeping it as a liquid. Lower the giant's strength, and the water has enough room to transform itself into vapor without needing the heat of a stove. This amazing ability to boil without heat is how some vacuum cooking techniques work, and it's used a lot in scientific experiments. Understanding pressure doesn't only solve the mystery of boiling without heat, it can also help you appreciate why cooking at high altitudes might be different, or even how submarines keep their shape in the deep ocean. So next time you're heating up water, just remember, there's more than one way to make things bubble.